If you know anything about me, you know that I am a worshiper. It's who I am. It's a part of my DNA. God did that to me when I was in my mama's womb. But every now and then, I just like giving God some praise. But not just any praise. I like giving him my best praise. There's a cliche that says when the praises go up, blessings come down. So how about giving God your best praise? Anybody feel like praising? Put your hands together like this, like this, like this. Our praise awaits you in the dark. Our souls awake to you as we sing this song. We sing the things that you have done. Still we know the best is yet to come. There's more to come. So open the gates and let Saturate the atmosphere. Saturate the atmosphere. Have your way, God. Have your way, God. Have your way, God. Do what you want to do. Be who you are. You are the King of Kings. You are the Lord of Lords. So we